Hi, this is Liza Lorinkus, your nutritionist and pain relief expert in Foster City, California. Today, I want to share with you an article I came across on Doctor's Resource that you have access to through my website and Facebook page. The article talks about importance and benefits of eating proteins with each of your meals. You can read the article by clicking the link below this video. If you have any questions about how much proteins, carbohydrates, and fats you should be consuming with each meal on a daily basis, or if you have any other concerns about your diet, please give me a call today. My phone number is 650-570-5101, and you can schedule your complimentary consultation by going to my website, www.letithhealnow.com. If you are watching this video on Facebook, go ahead and click like button. If you are watching it on YouTube, simply click on the subscribe button. This is Liza Lorinkus. I'm committed to being your source of everything health. Eat well, move more, live longer.